We're very fortunate on this channel that everybody doesn't have a Midnight Express with trip engines in the back. We really might not have a whole lot of content to go on, but welcome back to this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. Our first boat this week is going to get off to a Bouncy Start. It's going to be a twin-engine Dusky that's going to come out of Haulover. These guys are going to go ahead and go into battle for round one. It is a little bit of a rough day here. They're taking it a little bit easier than they probably could, but they're going to have a nice bumpy ride. They're not going to take a whole lot of water over the bow, just a lot of spray off the front. And really, I can't say too bad, because with the boat size, they're still a little bit limited. But you know what? They make it out. Nobody gets hurt. Nobody falls. We're definitely going to give this one to the boats on the first round. Our boater in round 2 is not going to let the first round boaters show them up, and they're going to show us how to cowboy up coming through Haulover. Here we're going to have a beautiful Intrepid that's going to go into battle with Haulover. You can tell we got a couple beautiful women in the front of this boat as well. And what happens when we get some beautiful women in the bow of the boat? Well, we've all got that friend that just needs to show off for them just a little bit. They always got to find a way to try and one-up every other boater out there. Kind of show off for the girls and just show them what kind of a man they really are. And we're about to see that guy here on this Intrepid as he's going to walk up to the front of the boat and show these girls what cowboying up is really all about when coming through Haulover. He's going to head to the bow of the boat, grab a line, and just show us how it's done. While I don't condone this behavior, I am going to give this round to the boats as well. That's going to put the boats out to an early 2-0 lead, but we're going to roll into round 3 and show you what happens when you give Haulover an opening to take advantage of you. These guys right here are going to show us what happens when you forget to secure your hatches before going through Haulover Inlet. And these guys are rolling a pretty good sized boat as well, so they're not going to feel a whole lot of this, and it looks like we got a pretty good party going on the front of the boat, but things are about to go a little wrong right here as the anchor hatch is going to pop open. And watch what happens when this young lady tries to fix it. Well, what happens is Haulover goes for the win. This is going to put Haulover back in the game with the boats only having a 2-1 advantage going into the 4th round, and our 4th round boater is going to show us what happens when you show up late to the ramp. That's right, you and your friends are about to go out on a wonderful day fishing, heading out of Haulover Inlet. And buddy Bob, of course, he shows up late as usual. Bob, go ahead and ride in the bow of the boat. It'll be fun, they said, Bob. You'll enjoy it. You'll have a good time. Take your cell phone up there with you. And of course, Bob's going to get soaked, and Bob's going to wind up with a little bit of backlash from this. But Bob, you did show up late to the ramp, and you know what? That's an offense punishable by beating, and I guess he's going to take it right here. Of course, since Bob's going to wake up with a big backache in the morning, we're definitely going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover as well. We're heading into the 5th and final round, tied at 2 apiece, and our man, the Ball Buster, is going to show us how it's done here at the end. That's basically where you launch a jet ski off a wave and you land flat in the seat. But somehow my man saves it. I cannot believe this. I thought for sure when I saw this he was going down, yet somehow he gets out unscathed. This round's definitely going to the boats, and that gives the boats the win this episode. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to check out our other 2 channels. We have our boy Wavy Boats, who gets all this great footage of Haulover, and then my channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. If you haven't already, drop an anchor on the subscribe button here. Why not? It's free. Stick around. Hang out. We love having you guys as company. And if you don't, we're going to come steal your trailer chalks.